of our better selling models at Unique Specialty and Classics. 2004 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe with a removable roof, as you can see. It would be the color to match red roof. That is in the storage compartment area in the back, and you can see that in the still pictures. I'm going to tell you where to check that out in a little bit. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. This vehicle also spent the majority of its life as a southern vehicle, Oklahoma, Texas area, before coming here. A little over 79,000 miles on it. Of course, the LS1, 5.7 liter underneath the hood. That is paired up with an automatic transmission with overdrive. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Give you a good look at the front fascia there and the hood. As you can see, the red paint does have a nice reflection, luster to it. There are a few spots. I mean, 79,000 cars been driven. You're going to have a few little touch-up areas. I don't know if I can necessarily get them to show up real good, but there's a few little touch-up areas from a previous owner. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures of this vehicle, probably 100 pictures or so of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Riding on the factory Corvette wheels. Of course, torch red in color, black interior. Bucket seats with a center console and the shifter in the center. Dual climate control, electronic dual climate control at that driver's information center. Bose stereo system with the AM, FM, CD player, of course, power windows, power locks, tilt cruise, power mirrors, all the amenities that you're going to have on a late model Corvette. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You also notice the unique plate on the front fascia of the vehicle. There is the filler panel, as you can see right over there, the filler panel that will go with it. So if you're not required to have a front plate on, you will get the filler panel. Also the cargo net for the trunk. There is also a battery tender that will go along with it too, and I'll put that in the rear storage compartment also. Once again, still pictures. Check them out, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video. It's going to take you right there. You'll be able to see pictures with the top on, top off, storage compartment with the top back there, and also with it cleared out so you can see how it looks. Also be able to check out the interior in the still pictures. And we're going to fire it up too and let you hear it run here just shortly. Take a look at the door panels. Power seat over here on the driver's side as well as the passenger side. Of course, this is your natural wearing leather with the way the grain is going to kind of get the wrinkles and fold. Little separation here above the bolster. Give you an idea of condition of the seat. All right, let's go ahead and check the exact miles out. Start this up. Let you hear it run. Let's make sure there's no warning lights on. There's your odometer. Sorry, a little over 79. Yeah, a little over 79,000. There we go, 79,003. Very little over. And as you can see, gauges are all working. Radio works. And again, AC blows cold. And on wipers work. We're going to flip up the headlight door so you can see those also. Those, as you can see, working order. Alright, slip around to the back. Doesn't sound like any crazy exhaust in this one. Nice sounding Corvette. What you'd expect out of an 04. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. Let me get this hood open and we'll check out it.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go. Check out the hood liner. And of course, there it is, the LS1, 5.7 liter V8 tried and true horsepower right there, power steering, power brakes, AC. Once again, that AC does blow cold. Slip around to the other side so you can hear it and see it from the passenger side. Pretty much what you'd expect out of a nice, well taken care of Corvette. Stock engine bay, nice and tidy and clean, just the way I want them. And again, clean Carfax, confirmed miles, no accidents indicated. Spent the majority of its life in Oklahoma and Texas before coming this direction. 2004 Chevrolet Corvette. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the descriptions and we'll take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate.